This morning I got in some scissors from a local auto upholsterer, and you can see these are big heavy duty industrial type scissors, and he comes to me every once in a while to have them sharpened. They go through a lot of material there at the shop, so we're going to test them first and see how they cut. And see it right there, it won't cut through the vinyl. That one won't. This is pretty heavy vinyl. Then let's try this one, this pair. That one's not too bad. Let's see about this one. Yeah, that's a little rough. And those won't cut at all. So that's that material. Let's try this ticking. And nope, will not cut that. That pair won't. That one won't cut through the tip. That one won't cut at all. Look at that. Last one. And that won't cut through the tip either. So we're going to have to sharpen each one of these and see if we can make them better for the client. Alright, for the first pair, tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these first. And we don't need to videotape that. Alright, we got them clean with some goof off. And the first thing I'm going to do is mark the edge. So we got that done. Now find the edge angle. Feel and sound. We're almost there. Well, I missed it, didn't I? Oh, there we go. I can tell that by that sound. Well, maybe not. Well, I keep missing it. It's just a tiny bit off. There we go. I think that's good. Let's do a pass and see what it looks like. That looks pretty good. So that's 3 passes, and I still got a little spot right there that I can see. Beautiful. All the way across the blade. And I got a little burr. Tell you what, I don't have a good burr on the front of this blade, so I'm going to do a little bit more pass, a little more pressure. Alright, I feel pretty good about that now. You know, one more pass. Alright, looks pretty good. Let's hone it. That's one blade. And what I like to do is Well, I'll do it afterwards. Let's see if we can find the angle. Not all the way. Almost there. You can hear the difference in the sound, and that looks pretty good. Alright, let's do a pass. That looks real good. I got a little spot right here. Still got a little spot. Alright, looks good. Feels good across the blade. Let's hone it. Alright. And let's get out a couple of tools here. I like to do this. A little pink stone across the blades. And I also like to do this. I'm just take a little piece of wood to get that burr off of it. Spread those blades apart. Alright, that feels pretty good. So let's test these and then we'll sharpen the other ones. Alright, let's go back to these. And that is cutting really nice all the way through the tip. This is one that was not cutting all the way through the tip. So let's try this ticking and see if it cuts that. Oh, look at that. Now it is cutting really well. So one pair is done, and I'm just going to sharpen the other three and not talk anymore. But that's one pair done.
Just when I think I'm gone, something brings me back as my train of thought slips off the track. I'm feeling my way through crossways and blinds. It's what you seek, not what you find. I don't mind things that don't matter these days. Time I spend on worry never pays, never leaves a change from green to gold. So I'll change with them, I'll be so bold. In vivid colored dreams, nothing's what it seems. I've turned inside out, then back again. I'm stuck out on this limb, dancing with the wind. How I long to be evergreen. I've been 10 years lost in strange scenery, like an old dust devil chasing round a tumbleweed. Tried to lay down roots so I could just stay there. Blew out my candle, I prayed a little prayer. I don't mind things that don't matter these days. Time I spend on worry never pays, never to gold, so I'll change with them. I'll be so bold in vivid colored dreams. Nothing's what it seems. I've turned inside out, then back again. Stuck out on this limb, dancing with the wind. How I long to be evergreen. Really can't complain, 'cause I've enjoyed the ride. Just because I'm running, it doesn't mean I'm hiding. This wanderlust, it put me off the map. Followed my heart until it brought me back. I don't mind things that don't matter these days. Time I spend on worry never pays, never leaves a change from green to gold, so I'll change with them. I'll be so bold in vivid colored dreams. Nothing's what it seems. I've turned inside out, then back again. Stuck out on this limb, dancing with the wind. How I long to be evergreen. Stuck out on this limb, dancing with the wind. How I long to be evergreen.
Okay, I got them all sharpened now, and I'm going to test them. Let's test them on the batting. You remembered how they didn't cut at all on the batting, so this one cuts all the way through the tip. This is basically some soft polyester. It may be cotton, who knows. Cuts all the way through the tip. Cuts all the way through the tip. All of them cut. Alright, let's try some heavier stuff here. And so remember, these didn't cut at all. Oh, look at that. It cuts through this heavy stuff really well. That one does too. That one does too. That one does too. Ooh, that does good. Let's see. So, looks good. You want to see if it'll even cut carpet. This is thick carpet. Look at that. So these are refreshed. I do these about every 6 months for this auto upholsterer. I get $10 per pair, so that's $40 made here in, I don't know, less than 30 minutes. So it's good business.